In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact using a QR code in WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy method, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once WhatsApp opens, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on your profile icon. This will take you to the settings screen. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a small QR code icon. Go ahead and tap on it. WhatsApp will now open your personal QR code screen. Here you'll see your own QR code along with a scan code button. Anyone who uses WhatsApp can also have their own QR code just like this. If you want to add someone as a contact, ask them to open their QR code screen on their phone. Next, tap the scan code button on your screen. Your phone's camera will open and be ready to scan. Now, simply point your camera at the other person's QR code and let WhatsApp scan it. After the scan is complete, their contact information will appear on your screen. You'll be able to see their phone number. If you'd like, you can make any changes to the contact details before saving them. Finally, tap to save the contact, and they will be added to your WhatsApp contact list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.